Holy crap.
Come on, bring that box in.
Whoa. Whoa. Is that my card? That is my card. Holy crap. Holy crap.
So, what did you think of Reza's new Switchblade illusion?
Well, I thought it was in his back pocket till he pulled out the knife and they just stabbed the box. I mean, I've seen this on TV, but it's never even performed before. But it is way cooler live. I mean, it's pretty cool.
Alright, so just check out the tutorial at the end of this video and followed by credits.
Okay, in this tutorial video, what I'm going to teach you is how to do the Reza illusion, okay? So to do this, you're going to need a pocket knife and a regular deck of bicycle cards. Okay? So inside the pocket knife, you have a bunch of little utensils and stuff like a mini knife and like a pop opener and stuff. So you're going to have to get those all out. What I did was I took a plier and you just kind of have to wiggle them back and forth and they will come out. There's a little screw that holds most of them in place. If you just have a plain old pocket knife that just says a knife, that's even easier. You just have to make sure there's space in there. Okay? So once you have that, sometimes you'll find that there's a light inside your thing. You just toss that away, okay? So then, there's real secret to the illusion.